How to change account in Monopoly Go. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Monopoly Go. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top right corner. Now, as you can see right here, I am logged in with my Facebook account. So in order to change the account on Monopoly Go, I would need to log out from the currently logged in account and log in with another account. So from this page right here, click on settings at the bottom and you will get this pop-up window from which you want to click on the green button at the bottom that says connect account. Once you do that, you will get a new pop-up window, and as you can see Facebook right here, it says disconnect. I will click on it and I will get this window right here that asks me are you sure, and it tells me what will happen if I do that. Let me click disconnect to confirm. And as soon as you disconnect your account, you will see right here that the button has changed to play with friends. Just like at the bottom it says play with contacts, meaning that now you need to log in using your um, other account. If you click on Facebook or contacts, you will log in within other account, as you can see right here. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your Monopoly Go account. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.